Okay, last time, or in the last video, we talked about sanding the edge of the plastic, your piece that's actually going to hold on to the picture itself. So now what we have to do is drill 2 holes in here so that we can actually attach this to the base that you're constructing out of wood. So what we've done is on the drill press, this is the drill press, we've set up a fixture to help us to be able to hold this to make it a little bit of a safer operation. We're going to be drilling 2 holes, so we're going to be drilling one on the right side, one on the left side. Most of the drill presses in all the shops are the same. The start and stop switch is right in front of you. There is going to be the wheel on the side, which is going to bring the drill bit up and down into the material. Usually you're going to be pulling it towards you. That'll bring the bit down. You're going to want to be paying attention. This is the chuck, or the part that spins. So obviously you have to be mindful of its rotation. It could be dangerous if you do get yourself stuck in there. Remember, we teach the 3 and 3 rule. So 3 inches for fingers and 3 feet for the next person closest to the individual working. You also want to try and minimize distractions while they're here so that they can focus on what it is that they're doing. So without further ado, let me cut 2 holes. So I'm going to step up, square myself to the machine as best I can, get comfortable with how it works before I turn the machine on. So you can step up, you can use it so that you understand what's going to happen. And then once I'm comfortable, I still have to hold my material here, and I'm also going to hold the fixture. Just in case these 2 clamps come loose, I'm still responsible for what's going on. So I'll start the machine slowly and evenly. My hole. You can see how slowly I move through the material. It's not a race. If you jam that bit down into the material, it's going to snap the bit. It could break the plastic. You want to allow the bit to actually physically cut its way through the plastic so that you get a nice, clean hole. Then we're going to flip it over, slide it back in. Now that the machine is off here, I can kind of clean some of this out, although you do still have to be mindful this is sharp. Nice, slow, even pressure. Students will often ask the question, well, how do I know that I'm through the plastic? If you go back, you actually heard it. It kind of makes a noise, and it will also kind of jump up a tiny bit at you while you're drilling the hole through. It'll kind of do like a little hop. That is usually indicative that you're through the plastic and that you can turn it off and back it out and you're good to go. Remember, we don't walk away from a machine until it stops. Once it's stopped, then we take our stuff and we get out of here. Just be mindful of the safety procedures.